Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, because Angela and Paka couldn't make it today. Behind me there's the beautiful cliffs. There is Ghar Hasan here, Fisherman's Cave, and Arere, and that rock out there is Jablat al-Mara, the woman's stone. But today we are not going to go to that side, we're going to go to the other side, and we're going to try to explore Wied Znuber. So hope you enjoy. So let's start this adventure. It's a little bit cloudy today, but it's beautiful here. This is one of the best places in the island, this part, full of caves, full of history. Here are some views one can expect from these cliffs. Look how beautiful here it is. Just to show you how fragile these cliffs are, look at this wall. This continues down here because all this big rock fell down during a storm, which is pretty big. It's like a big house, very big house. Now let's continue here. From Ghar Hasan to Wied Znuber, most of the time you'll be walking on the cliff's edge. The views, they are always amazing. Look from here, and you can see that big rock, or a big part of the cliff. It's not a rock actually, that fell off, or all the pieces that fell down. It's incredible. So take care, because it's a long way from the edge that it fell down. But here it looks pretty safe, more solid. Although you never know. As you can see here, we have a nice trail to walk on, not like the rocky part up there. Very easy. Now that we nearly made it to Wied Znuber, we can find this most probably World War II installation. That was here on the cliffs. This part is pretty intact, but this one no. And here we have something else. Let's explore it. Here are some of the parts of this building. Doesn't go anywhere, or it looks. And this part here, they have the views from here. Very amazing. What do you think, guys? Very windy today, but this is what remains of this area. Let's see. Let's go inside here. Most probably was a military installation, because from here you can have a very good view from anything coming. And up there, I don't know if you can see that small island here is Filfla. Now that we visited this small World War II structure, let's continue and head to Wied Znuber, which is down here, and we have a look from up here as well. This is Wied Znuber. One particularity in the history of this place, you can see there is a wall that was constructed in 1654 by Cesarico Violandi. So people invading Malta, because since here everywhere is rocky, this was a weak point, because pirates can go up this valley here and go and invade Malta, and so these walls were extracted. So now we go down there and we see them more closely. Here we can see we have found the stairs, so this was the path to go down here. So we'll continue around the right track to continue them. Here are the steps. Even here somebody made steps. Maybe could it be the soldiers that used to guard these walls here, this fortification walls? Look, I always remind the people that these people, how much they suffered and endured hard work to create these steps, and get the stones here and everything. If we continue this path, there are more steps, and you can see the wall clearly here at the top part. And from here, there's the other part. And here, it looks that there was some kind of building. Anyone from this area or knows history about this place, please comment below. Maybe knows what this installation was. Maybe it was for the soldiers that used to guard these walls. Most probably. This we continue in the valley. This part. Look how thick the vegetation is. So let's go back to the wall and continue from there. And now we're going to start going down the stairs. Here, they're a little bit steeper, but stairs are always stairs. And if you look in front of me, these are the stairs that we just came down from. And if we turn like this, imagine this was the rifle of one of the shooters, of the soldiers. You can get it from behind the wall, from this opening, and shoot whoever is trying to invade Malta. Then here we have another path between these walls, which easily walk there. And well, from these steps one can go down the last part to this fortification wall here, which is very thick and has some concrete under, because considering that this is a valley, the water will come from here, a lot of water, and it must be very strong or else it will be swept away. So let me show you. Here, you see, this is how it continues. There are some steps, and if we look from here, that's where the valley continues. And since that was a blind spot behind there, that's why there's another wall up there. So now let's try to see if we can go down from here. These are the stairs we came from, and here is where the soldiers used to watch their enemy or the pirates, and from where they can shoot their muskets from, so they have angle to shoot and the enemy have a small opening to shoot back. As to go down into the valley, we have to pass from this area here, this bushy area. It's not impossible, it's a little bit tricky, but let's try to do this. Well, to pass from this area, you have to duck down. It's nothing crazy, but that's what you have to do. Boom. I was going to fall. Thanks to my trekking pole, I didn't. I have to go around here, so we'll find a way to go down in this valley. Then as we turn, you will find like these steps in the rock, and you can start going slowly down. Now we are getting to the bottom of this part, and here, as you can see, there's a large opening. One can pass through. Let's pass through there now. Boom. I think today you have to see me fall. And now we are passing through this opening here. It's very easy actually, especially if you have some trekking poles. It's very easy. And now we are on the other side of the wall. If we are pirates, we'll see them here. So now let's continue in this beautiful valley although it's not going to be a long walk because we are near the sea. Here you can see somebody left a ladder here, maybe to go up from here, but we'll continue on this side. Our target is to reach the sea. Here it's very easy to walk around. I think many people cross from here, and that's why you can see there's a path, easy path one can go through. Let's turn and see. You see here is the first wall, the upper one, and behind the vegetation is the second one. And here we are getting very close to the sea. The more we go near the sea, we have more wind. Hope the sound is okay. These are the cliff faces, and how nice they are. It's a narrow valley, and you have to take care coming here, because if it's raining from here, they must pass a lot of water. Well, now we have made it to the bottom of the valley. We are on the rocks by the sea. You see here, we're exactly by the sea. You have to take great care here because not to fall. And here we have reached the bottom of Wied Znuber. Very beautiful place here. I think if the weather was better, today we'll have jumped, but thankfully it's very cloudy, it's raining a bit, so it's not so hot for trekking, thanks God. So let's go down by the sea, the last part, so we have done this valley, all of it. I'm still scrambling on these rocks. You have to take always great care because it's easily, if you fall here, you're in trouble. And here we reach this here. We still can go down a little bit further, but I'm taking care. I don't want to fall since I'm alone in this remote area. Look at this fossil here, how nice it is, huh? And if we go on this side here, taking care not to fall, look at this rocks here, all with holes in it. And here we reach this beautiful sea area. One can swim here. And if we go look back, how high these cliffs are. So now let's start heading back and climbing up out of this valley. Beautiful valley. And here we have reached the lower wall again. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's me, Pierre Farrugia from WiedZnuber. Behind me you can see one of its fortification walls. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.